everybody. Hi guys. So time check, it's 11:38 in the morning. And also, what date is today? Today is already May 30th. So it's Thursday today. May 30th. So it's almost June. B has just woken up from his first nap. Actually, yung position niya with breastfeeding is like laying on me na. So, I couldn't get out out of the bed. Otherwise, magigising talaga siya. So, when I tried, doon, nagising siya. So, ayun. So, we're just gonna get on the day. I'm just wearing the dress, like a simple dress. Again, I bought this when I was pregnant. So, technically, this is a pregnancy dress. But, I gained a lot of weight. So, it's just perfect for me. I just dressed up. It's a little bit chilly today, if I'm not mistaken. Pero it's going to summer na, guys. Just gonna check with Google. Hey, Google, what's the weather?
Today in Milton, it'll be sunny.
See, it is 16 degrees outside. But with the long sleeve, I think I should be fine. We're gonna go, I think, for today, we're just gonna go for a walk, right? We're gonna hang around the park and just eat some snacks and everything and just enjoy nature. And then we'll go back home. Just I wanna make sure na makapag-go out siya a little bit. Ayoko rin na whole day nandito kami sa bahay kasi it's like 4 corners of the room and diba? So, ayan si baby. Hi, baby. Say hi to the guys. Hi to the guys. Oh, he's such a mommy's boy now. Like, even with his dad, he gets really fussy. If it's really
You're my
fussy.
sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I love you. It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine. And I thank you for being you. I'll be your best.
We're gonna go there. So, just gonna drink my coffee. Actually, I haven't had my breakfast yet. Kasi usually, I eat my breakfast during his first nap. But the thing is, he didn't let me go during his first nap. But it's okay. No complaints, but I have a cold coffee now. Ayun. So, I'm just gonna enjoy my breakfast. I'm gonna put, kasi, nung free, so may chia seeds yan, tsaka yung oatmeal. Nilagyan ko lang ng milk. So, I'm gonna put more milk. Para lang, ayoko kasi na masyadong thick eh. Gusto ko yung masabaw when it comes to oatmeal. So, with our milk, we buy this from Costco as well. This is an organic fortified almond milk. This has no sugar at all. So, this is very good for him. Tapos, I try yung 100 milligrams. So, I just try to get less sodium as possible. Like, maybe less 100 milligrams. But this is still okay, I believe. Kasi, hindi naman siya 110 and whatnot. So, it's just 4% of sodium. So, this is really good. So, this is what he uses for his milk. Hi, Sally. There's a Sally Gossie. There's a Sally Gossie right here. There's a Sally Gossie guys here, right? Mommy's just gonna eat, right? You had this, right? So for his breakfast, I just made homemade cereal for him. So basically what I do for the homemade cereal, I just pan fry the rolled oats. No butter, no oil, nothing like that. Just roast it on a pan, like for about 5 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes, and then I blend it, and then that makes it like a cereal texture. So after that, I take about like 3 baby spoons of chia seeds, and then I put the milk that I just showed you guys. Yun yung milk niya. And then, I just chill it for 30 to an hour or maybe 2 hours. So, mga ganun, 30 minutes to an hour. And then, chia seeds is already yung dapat niyang texture. So, pinapakain ko na after 30 minutes sa kanya. And he loves it. Thing with him, the pancakes that I've been batching for him, like, he wouldn't take it now. So, ayaw niya na yun. But I will keep on serving it just because I don't want him to be really picky with food. I want that mindset now. Whatever's in the table, you have to eat it. Kasi there's a lot of, people that don't even have a choice, kung anong kakainin nila. So, yun. I'm just gonna continue to serve it, but at the same time, I want him to really take in food. So, I just thought of oatmeal and glad like that he with the fruits. Kasi, parang too much sweetness na rin. So, hindi ko na masyadong inaanuhan ng fruits. For snacking na lang siya and everything. So, yun. Right now, actually, speaking of snacks, I'm gonna give him a snack. He loves this brand. It's an Australian brand. It's really organic. I just saw a video like na this is really good kasi it's just one flavor and one seasoning and that's it. Wala, like, very straightforward na ingredients. So it's organic. And he loves this. He loves the texture of it and everything. So, I give him one of this in the morning and one of this in the afternoon. And there's a lot of kinds of this. So, whenever we go out, I just give him the, like, different types of that. So, siguro on a day, like, he would devour like 3 of these. Yeah, he knows that's his snack. See, he loves that. You love it, eh? You love that. So, I just finished my breakfast and I just did, guys, meron tayong avocado from kahapon. And kaya pala siya medyo mura is because pabulok na, guys. So, kailangan kong i-rescue ang mga avocado at kainin na. Natin. It's good. But you could literally taste yung almond milk. But it's okay. It's manageable. So, yan. A little bit of dessert lang. Hindi naman mainit ngayon. Pero masarap. Okay. Okay na, okay siya. So, konti lang. 2 kutsarita lang ng sugar. Huhugasan ko yan. Mamaya, yung ayan. Avocado milk or something. Yeah, so ito'y avocado lang. May mga itim na nga eh, diba? This is just avocado. Cane sugar. Sugar cane namin na sukal. And then, yung almond milk, again, kasi wala na kami yung regular milk, yung white milk, 2%. Naubusan na, and I thought, like, hindi mo na bumili, kasi nga, sobrang dami pang almond milk. Like, it was, like, literally 6 of those na binili namin. It was a It was one box na binili. So, I thought, we're just gonna finish that kasi otherwise, it's not gonna be finished, diba? If it's only baby na we're gonna use it for. So, ito muna, almond milk. Pero mas masarap to guys ng pag 2%. And nagdagay lang ako ng yellow, diba? Hugasan ko mamaya kasi yan yung ginamit ko for fried chicken last night as well. So, kain muna ako nito. And then, we're gonna plan ahead. Baka lumabas na kami or... Such a good eater, you guys. Actually, lahat ng minimake ko kasi I'm very picky when it comes to food with him. I pretty much do everything at home, like when it comes to baby food and like his food. Just recently lang ako talaga nag-loosen a little bit when it comes to snacks. Like this, Amara, and I've searched, going crazy searching like what organic type of snacks I can buy off of store shelves for him. So this one, Amara, and the Little Bellies that I showed you guys earlier, yun so far yung binibigay ko sa kanya. Otherwise, I make everything, like I said, at home. When it comes to Amara though, my views on it, it's good with the snacks. I also bought yung mga ready-made nila, like very organic. Very organic siya, pero like there's one flavor na sweet potato, raspberry and apple na he got allergies from, so I stopped that from Amara. And since then with snacks, since he liked the Little Bellies more, like he enjoyed like getting to textures and yung mga flavors and stuff. So yun yung lagi kong binibigay, but I give him this time to time. It's just tiny bits na mga pieces. It melts in the mouth like every baby food naman snacks. It melts in the mouth, so it's something like this, Amara. So, see, I'm giving it to him. Just as long as he chews it, which is he's really good at chewing. So, this is good. Amara, guys, I recommend it, especially yung snack food nila, snack baby food nila. Yung it melts in the mouth. I think there's few of these like type of flavors, but with the ready-made, not so much kasi he gags more doon and he got allergy nga in one of the flavors. So, I really did stop that. But 100% with the Little Bellies. If you're in Australia, Canada, US, and there's one more country, it's available yung Little Bellies and this one too. Are you okay? Good? Like it? Yeah, I know. You like it. And he's such an eater, which is I'm very, very thankful for. But I would start seeing his personality. For instance, I used to make him lots of pancakes. Like I invent like different types of pancakes. He used to eat it a lot. Kasi on breakfast, I make baby-led weaning with him. Like, I let him play with the food and touch it and, put it in his mouth and like just play around it on his breakfast. So I make like baby-led weaning food there, like mga pancakes, toast, everything. So far, ngayon, once he has hit 9 months, he started saying no to pancakes. Like, you would literally see his face like facing away from the food. So that's not good anymore, yung pancakes. But I made batch of it, so I have a lot of it still. So what I'm planning to do is to continue to serve it to him. But at the same time, yun na nga, just like I said earlier, na I want him to actually take in food. So far, I make baby homemade cereal, with chia seeds, and almond milk, and that's been a hit for his breakfast. So that and a little bit, all done. So when he does that, he's all done. Okay, just a little bit more water so you're not constipated, right? That's what mommy has been telling you. You drink water. Good job! Yay! So he actually eats a lot of food. He likes lunch and dinner. I make him drink water because talagang na-notice ko na if he doesn't drink any liquid at all, like apart from my breast, of course, if he doesn't drink any water at all, he gets constipated. So we don't want that. Kasi syempre, di ba, mahirapan siyang tumae. So yun, guys, pinapainom ko talaga siya ng tubig. Hindi pwedeng hindi. It's a deal breaker for me. So tubig. After he eats, after he snacks, tubig lagi. So he drinks. Just as long as you would monitor him, you would make him drink. And of course, he's still a baby. You should be monitoring him. He would spit out good amount, but at least he's taking still. Okay, so now I'm just gonna wash him off, like his hands and his mouth. I make like this much of each meal, like chicken breast. I put onions in it. I've put peas, carrots, and corn. And then for the seasoning, I believe I put paprika and garlic powder, if I'm not mistaken. So I remember guys, sinabi ko sa inyo na as much as possible, you wanna eat together. So while feeding him, I was eating this, the avocado milk, and there's a little bit of sugar, like just tiny bit of sugar. So he would eat a lot and he would eat more, and so he did. And I thought, sabi ko, that's just sugar, a little bit of, like just tiny bit of sugar and almond milk. He loved it. So he was eating his meal, like his savory meal. Just tiny bit of this, like a teaspoon of this yung pinatry ko, since there's sugar in it. And then 1 piece of this Amara. So that's that for his lunch. And then he had 2 of these, the little bellies. Usually I would just give him 1, but usually nga isa nga lang ang binibigay ko. So I stay on top of it. So yun. Hey guys, so we're going for a walk. I showed you guys my fit. This was from Shein. It's actually a pregnancy dress as well. that I bought last year. It's so baggy, it's so like airy. So it's perfect, though it's not really hot and humid outside. Um, it's just easy to throw on, you know, and you can look decent. So this is my pangloob bag, but I'm planning to wear my Zara shoes, which is that one. I just put some pressed powder from CoverGirl, the brown one. And then for my lippy, it's the Sephora in the shade. So, ayan guys. I just carried him because he was going out by himself now. So we're just gonna go for a quick walk, like probably an hour or so. And then stay on one of the parks and have some snacks and come home. Hi guys! So, ayun. We're walking around the neighborhood lang. It's not like we're going further. It's just to have some breath of fresh air, of course, and the sunlight as well, right? So, yun. I try to do this with him almost every single day. But sometimes my husband takes over. Pero mostly siya yung nagra-run kasi he's doing runs. So mostly ako talaga yung gumagawa sa kanya ng walking. Walking lang guys. So certainly just walking around the neighborhood, there's a lot of walking trails, running trails, and every trail that you could think of here around Milton. So we're very grateful for that, but it's not like we're going further. It's just literally around the neighborhood. There's a lot nga na walking paths around here. So that's what we're doing, and there's a lot of moms who walk with a stroller just like me. It's actually his nap time, so I'm probably gonna sit somewhere and edit a vlog while he naps. Somewhere shady, I guess. Milton. It's perfect actually. In my personal perspective, it's perfect for kids. It's baby friendly neighborhood, and we can be thankful and grateful enough that we have found this perfect neighborhood for him to grow. So mostly guys, ito yung makikita mo around the neighborhood here. There's like a field like this, like that, right? Kids can run around, can play around. And there's a basketball here, basketball court, free for everybody. This is just one of the many. Okay, so this is a parking area for this is a parking area for parks and everything. I'm planning to stay there for a bit to just edit a vlog. There's a shade. And let's see. Kasi we're taking advantage of his nap time as well. So yun.